Inside a Chinese dirt bike factory, how off-road motorcycles are built. Full process. Intro. What does it take to build a modern dirt bike capable of conquering muddy trails, rocky mountains, sandy deserts, motocross tracks, and rugged off-road terrain? How does a collection of steel tubes, aluminum parts, engine components, and high-tech electronics become a powerful off-road machine trusted by riders around the world? Today, we're going inside a modern Chinese dirt bike factory to witness the incredible manufacturing process behind off-road motorcycles. From raw steel and precision machined engine components to robotic welding systems, advanced suspension technology, lightweight frames, powerful engines, and rigorous quality testing, every dirt bike undergoes an extraordinary journey before it ever touches a trail. China has become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturing centers. Every year, millions of motorcycles are produced in highly advanced factories that combine automation, engineering expertise, and skilled craftsmanship. Many of these motorcycles are exported globally and used for recreation, racing, farming, transportation, and adventure riding. Inside the factory, engineers, technicians, machinists, welders, painters, assemblers, and inspectors work together with remarkable precision. Steel arrives daily, frames are welded, engines are assembled, suspension systems are installed, and every few minutes, another dirt bike rolls closer to completion. The scale is impressive, the technology is fascinating, and the engineering behind these machines is truly remarkable. So sit back, relax, and let's go inside the Chinese dirt bike factory to discover the complete process of how off-road motorcycles are built. Chapter 1: Designing the dirt bike. Long before manufacturing begins, engineers spend years designing and testing new motorcycle models. A dirt bike faces unique challenges compared to road motorcycles. It must be lightweight yet durable, powerful yet controllable, comfortable yet capable of handling rough terrain. Engineers begin with computer-aided design software. Every component is modeled digitally. The frame, the engine, the suspension, the wheels, and the body panels. Virtual simulations help evaluate performance under different conditions. Rocky trails, steep hills, deep mud, high jumps, and rough landings. Engineers analyze structural strength, suspension travel, cooling efficiency, and rider ergonomics. Prototype motorcycles undergo extensive testing before production begins. Professional riders provide valuable feedback. Designs are refined repeatedly until performance targets are achieved. Only then does manufacturing begin. Chapter 2: Receiving raw materials. Every day, huge quantities of materials arrive at the factory. Steel tubing, aluminum castings, engine components, rubber products, plastic materials, electronic systems, and thousands of additional parts. Large inventory systems track every shipment. Quality inspectors carefully examine incoming materials. Only approved components continue into production. Steel used in motorcycle frames must meet strict standards. Engine components require exceptional precision. Suspension parts must withstand significant stress. Every material plays an important role in the final product. Once approved, materials move toward their designated production areas. The first stop is usually frame manufacturing. Chapter 3: Building the motorcycle frame. The frame serves as the backbone of the dirt bike. It supports the engine, suspension, rider, and all major components. Frame production begins with steel tubing or lightweight alloy materials. Computer-controlled cutting machines prepare each section. Precision bending equipment shapes the tubes according to engineering specifications. Every bend must be exact. Even small deviations could affect handling and stability. Specialized fixtures hold the components in place. The frame gradually takes shape. Engineers carefully design the geometry to provide the ideal balance of strength, agility, and control. The completed frame components move toward welding stations. Chapter 4: Robotic Welding and Frame Assembly. Inside the welding department, sparks illuminate the factory floor. Robotic welding systems and skilled technicians work together to assemble motorcycle frames. Fixtures ensure precise alignment. Robots perform many of the welds with exceptional consistency. Human welders handle specialized areas and perform inspections. The quality of these welds is critical. The frame must endure impacts, jumps, vibrations, and demanding riding conditions. Every weld is inspected carefully. Advanced measurement systems verify frame dimensions. The finished frame undergoes structural inspections before approval. Once completed, it moves toward surface preparation and painting. Chapter 5: Painting and Frame Finishing. Before painting begins, frames undergo thorough cleaning. Any oil, dust, or contamination must be removed. Surface treatments improve corrosion resistance. Many dirt bikes operate in mud, rain, and challenging environments. Protection against rust is essential. The frames then enter the paint facility. Depending on the design, paint may be applied using robotic systems or powder coating technology. Multiple layers create a durable finish. The coating must withstand impacts from rocks, dirt, and debris. The painted frames pass through curing ovens where heat hardens the finish. When completed, they display the distinctive appearance of the final motorcycle. Chapter 6: Engine Manufacturing. The engine is the heart of every dirt bike. Modern off-road motorcycles rely on lightweight yet powerful engines. Production begins with precision machined engine blocks and cylinder heads. Advanced CNC machines create components with microscopic accuracy. Workers assemble pistons, crankshafts, camshafts, valves, and timing systems. Fuel delivery components are installed. Cooling systems are integrated. Ignition systems are connected. Every component must work together perfectly. Off-road motorcycles often operate under demanding conditions. High temperatures, steep climbs, rapid acceleration, and rough terrain. The engine must deliver reliable performance throughout. Chapter 7: Transmission Assembly. Power must be transferred efficiently from the engine to the rear wheel. This responsibility belongs to the transmission. Gear shafts, bearings, selectors, and shift mechanisms are assembled carefully. Each gear must engage smoothly. Precision machining ensures proper operation. The transmission is integrated with the engine during assembly. Engineers verify clearances and tolerances. Every completed unit undergoes inspection before moving forward. Reliability is critical. Off-road riders depend on smooth gear changes in challenging conditions. Chapter 8: Engine Testing. Before engines are approved, they undergo extensive testing. Technicians connect the engines to specialized equipment. Engine performance is monitored carefully. Power output, fuel consumption, oil pressure, cooling performance, and emissions levels. Any engine that fails to meet standards is removed for further evaluation. Only approved engines continue to the main assembly line. This testing helps ensure reliability and performance. By the time an engine reaches final assembly, it has already undergone significant quality verification. Chapter 9: Suspension Manufacturing. One of the most important components of a dirt bike is its suspension. Off-road riding involves bumps, jumps, rocks, and uneven terrain. Suspension systems absorb impacts and maintain control. Front forks are assembled using precision machined tubes, springs, seals, and damping components. Rear shock absorbers receive similar attention. Engineers carefully tune suspension characteristics. The goal is to provide comfort, traction, and handling performance. Every suspension unit undergoes testing before installation. Smooth operation is essential. The rider's experience depends heavily on suspension quality. Chapter 10: Wheel and Tire Production. The wheels play a vital role in off-road performance. Rims are manufactured using lightweight yet durable materials. Spokes are installed carefully. Wheel hubs are assembled with bearings and mounting hardware. Off-road tires are designed specifically for dirt, mud, sand, and rocky surfaces. Tread patterns vary depending on the intended application. Each wheel assembly undergoes balancing and inspection. Durability and reliability are essential. A failure in the field could have serious consequences. Once approved, wheels move toward final assembly. Chapter 11: Main Chassis Assembly. Now the motorcycle begins taking shape. The painted frame arrives at the assembly line. Technicians install the swing arm first. Steering components follow. Suspension systems are mounted. Bearings and linkage components are installed. Each workstation focuses on specific tasks. Detailed procedures ensure consistency and quality. The bare frame gradually transforms into a recognizable motorcycle chassis. The excitement begins to build as the machine takes form. Chapter 12: Engine Installation. One of the most exciting moments in production is engine installation. Lifting equipment positions the engine carefully within the frame. Technicians secure mounting points. Electrical systems are connected. Fuel lines are installed. Cooling systems are integrated. Exhaust components are attached. At this stage, the motorcycle finally gains its source of power. The transformation is dramatic. The machine is beginning to resemble a finished dirt bike. Chapter 13: Electrical Systems and Controls. Modern dirt bikes include sophisticated electrical systems. Wiring harnesses are routed throughout the motorcycle. Electronic control units manage ignition timing and engine operation. Sensors monitor critical parameters. Lighting systems are installed where required. Handlebar controls are connected. Instrument displays may also be fitted depending on the model. Every electrical connection undergoes testing. Reliability is critical. Off-road environments can be harsh. The system must function consistently despite vibration, dirt, and weather exposure. Chapter 14: Body Panels and Fuel Tank Installation. The motorcycle now receives its exterior components. Plastic body panels are manufactured separately using injection molding technology. These lightweight panels provide protection and visual appeal. Fuel tanks are installed carefully. Side panels, front fenders, rear fenders, radiator shrouds, and number plates are mounted. Graphics and decals are applied. The motorcycle's distinctive appearance finally emerges. The transformation from raw frame to complete machine is remarkable. Chapter 15: Installing Wheels and Final Components. The dirt bike now receives its wheels. Front and rear wheel assemblies are installed. Brake systems are connected. Chains and sprockets are fitted. Foot pegs, handlebars, mirrors where applicable, and final controls are added. Technicians verify torque specifications carefully. Every fastener must meet exact requirements. Safety is a top priority. The motorcycle is now mechanically complete. But significant testing still lies ahead. Chapter 16: Fluid Filling and First Engine Start. Before operation, the motorcycle receives essential fluids: engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and fuel. Technicians perform final system checks. Then comes one of the most exciting moments in the factory: the first engine start. For the very first time, the motorcycle operates under its own power. The engine comes to life. Exhaust systems resonate. Electronic systems activate. Engineers monitor every parameter carefully. Any abnormalities are addressed immediately. Only approved motorcycles continue to testing. Chapter 17: Quality Control Inspection. Quality control is integrated throughout production. However, final inspection remains one of the most important stages. Technicians examine every motorcycle carefully. Paint quality, frame alignment, electrical systems, engine performance, brake operation, suspension function, and component installation. Specialized measurement systems verify critical dimensions. Every motorcycle must meet strict standards before approval. The goal is simple: deliver a reliable and durable machine to every customer. Chapter 18: Performance Testing. Before leaving the factory, motorcycles undergo operational testing. Engine performance is evaluated. Throttle response is verified. Transmission operation is checked. Braking systems are tested. Suspension performance is analyzed. Many factories use specialized test tracks. These allow engineers to evaluate motorcycles under realistic riding conditions. The bike must demonstrate proper operation before approval. Only motorcycles passing all tests continue to final preparation. Chapter 19: Final Inspection and Packaging. Once testing is complete, motorcycles receive a final inspection. Technicians clean every surface. Protective materials are applied where necessary. Documentation is completed. Accessories are packaged. Quality inspectors conduct one final review. Only motorcycles meeting every requirement receive authorization for shipment. The finished machine now stands ready for delivery. Chapter 20: Shipping to riders around the world. Rows of completed dirt bikes fill the shipping area. Each motorcycle is assigned a destination. Some remain within China. Others are exported to Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, and the Middle East. Specialized packaging protects the motorcycles during transportation. Trucks, trains, ships, and logistics networks help deliver them worldwide. Soon these machines will be ridden on trails, tracks,